Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to whitelist NordVPN on your computer. Doing this helps the app run smoothly without your firewall or antivirus software interfering. Let's go through it step by step. First, we'll whitelist NordVPN in the Windows Firewall. Press the Windows key and S together to open the search bar, then type Windows Defender Firewall and open it from the results. Once the firewall window is open, look on the left side and click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. At the top of the next screen, click Change Settings so you can make edits. Now scroll down and click Allow another app near the bottom. A small window will appear. Click Browse and navigate to where NordVPN is installed. For most people, this will be in the Program Files folder inside the NordVPN directory. Open that folder, select the file named nordvpn.exe, and then click Add. You should now see NordVPN appear in the list. Make sure both the private and public boxes next to NordVPN are checked. This ensures the app works properly whether you're on your home network or using public Wi-Fi. Next, let's handle the antivirus software. Open your antivirus program. The layout may look different depending on which one you're using, but look for a section labeled Exclusions, Whitelist, or Allowed Apps. In that section, add either the entire NordVPN folder or the NordVPN executable file, just like before. This prevents the antivirus from blocking VPN connections or interfering with the app in the background. And that's it. You've successfully whitelisted NordVPN in both your firewall and antivirus, and your connection should run much more smoothly now. If you're interested in getting NordVPN at a discount, the link below gives you 74% off plus 3 extra months for free. Thanks for watching.